Hey y'all, welcome to week 2 of online learning. This video just kind of go over the things I have posted for this week and what's due this week. You'll also notice there's these projects that have been posted on Google Classroom. For detailed explanations of what those are, go to those assignments. There's videos posted there. You'll have for the instructions. There's also PDFs there for the instructions as well. For this week, you really just have to worry about 3 things. The first is this Google form here. You open up that Google form, it'll take you to this Google Forms for Zoom meeting times. You can see it has a spot for your name here. What hour did you have me for Avid? And then several choices for potential Zoom meeting times. This would be a whole class Zoom meeting or potentially a combined one for 5th and 7th, where I have all of you guys in there. The reason this is important, and select as many as you can, the reason it's important is for the Wicker Bingo. On the Wicker Bingo, you have TRF's tutorials due twice. In order to get that done, we do need to meet as a class. So fill out that Google form, and we might meet on Zoom this week. Speaking of Wicker Bingo, at the end of the week, you have this Wicker Bingo check-in. You need to make sure you're doing 2 to 3 Wicker Bingo assignments or activities every week in order to be done for the end of the semester. You need to black out this whole thing. Don't forget that. Okay? By end of the week, I mean April 9th. Remember, this week is a 4-day week. We have spring vacation starting Friday. So you have Friday off, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday off of the following week. Okay? So this week is Monday through Thursday. So that's why this week's a little bit lighter as well. The other thing I would like you to do for this week, and I mean Monday, is to do this discussion board. You're going to answer this question: how did the first week of continuous learning go for you? Answer all the questions in full, and then respond to at least one of their students. That response should include original thinking. Add your own thoughts besides just I agree. If you have any questions, let me know. Message me on my Remind, or if you haven't signed up for Remind yet, please do so. Thank you.